Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Another big news bafethu kuKaizer Chiefs, uNdlovu ubuyile from injury. Ubonakele namhlanje ejimini ejima ne-senior team njengoba ba-prepare for a big game for iKaizer Chiefs la bazotravela khona kusasa ekuseni balibangise lena e-DRC noma ngithi eCongo la bodlala khona igame enkulu bafethu. I-last game ukuthi ba-qualify for ilokhu njani ama-group stages. I-depth, I mean, it's insane i-depth abanayo laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. They cannot complain. Kumele bakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Ama-player angaka bafethu akhona available. Igadaro nayo available. So kuzoya nge-coach or i-technical team bafethu ukuthi decide ukuthi obani abazotravela nabo, obani abazoba highly influential. But-ke nje kulele konke njengoba ngishilo bafethu ku-technical team eKaizer Chiefs ukuthi decide, and they have no excuse ukuthi bangayewini le game le abayoyidlala enkulu kangaka. uNdlovu into edayo laphana, noMaboy ukhona. uNdlovu into edayo laphana ethimini overall uzo-eda i-depth laphana ku-midfielder ukuthi bangasweli lutho bafethu in terms of i-depth e-midfielder. Uzokwazi ukusiza esikhaleni sakaMthethwa because he plays similar than njengomthetho, but at the same time yena uyakwazi ukudefenda, uyakwazi futhi ukuya phambili, uyakwazi ukuconnecta laphana nama-midfielders, ama-attacking midfielders, uyakwazi ukuconnecta nama-forwards. So i-player elibalulekile for iKaizer Chiefs elingakwazi ngempela ukubasiza kakhulu as they chase the continental glory. Well, it's not gonna be easy to chase the continental glory, sonke siyakwazi lokho bafethu. So konke kulele kubo bafethu management ukuthi thatha ama-decisions a-right overall, ibonise ngempela ukuthi bayafuna ukulwela izinto as iKaizer Chiefs. It's not an easy one. Away ifiziki bazoyifila, but isquad banaso bafethu, njengoba ngishilo abanayo excuse ukuthi bangayiwini igame le. Out of sonke le squad lesi abanaso manje, bonke labantu laba bakhona laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, lebo Hang Maboy ba-spoiled. Yabona uma kuthiwa abantu ba-spoiled bakhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs. Ama-player agudi kangaka wonke available. I mean mesibheka uNdlovu into edayo uyakwazi nokuya phambili ucontribute i-work rate yakhe. Ngingakhuluma nge-work rate kaNdlovu. I mean yabona after I think yena noMthethwa bacishe balingane nge-work rate ukuthi uNdlovu asikakamboni kakhulu kuKaizer Chiefs and simbonile edlala bamreplace laphana, so we might overlook like i-work rate yakhe, and is a good pass off the ball, is able to connect more mobile compared to let's say iplay elifana lokhu njani noMthethwa man. Yeah, so uMthethwa u-Ox, so yena more of ukuprotecta i-defense. uNdlovu naye uyakwazi ukuprotecta i-defense, but at the same time uyakwazi ukuqala ama-counter attacks ukuya phambili bafethu afika connect. So there's no reason ukuthi bangakwazi ukucompete laphana. uMaboy same thing. uMaboy uyakwazi ukuba i-central midfield, uyakwazi ukuba i-number 10, uyakwazi, I mean, ukuba different laphana for iKaizer Chiefs. It gives them a different depth. But what I can say ukuthi we don't know, or I don't know ukuthi uMaboy ba-ready ukumdlalisa because akakadlali this season at all. Siyamazi ukuthi ugudi kangakanani and une-experience ku-continental level, but what I can say ukuthi udila na something eyenzeka ngoJune waya under the knife laphana e-theatre. So they were busy trying to fix him. Bekanenkinga nje encane laphana ku-off season, that is why angakwazanga ukuhamba nabo aye laphana eNetherlands. But-ke already kuKaizer Chiefs baqala ukunegotiate naye ngoJune, but-ke bebalinde ukubona ukuthi uzophola na overall laphana. Lucky enough waphola. Kaizer Chiefs as much as ejima, but kusho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs beyibheke leyo nto leyo ukuthi uzokwazi ukurecovera kahle, but sekunesikhathi ejima bafethu. I think he's ready now to play because he's forever present laphana ejimini. I mean, he's forever present, nanokuthi-ke ukhona even kuma-1v1 or ku-11 versus 11 laphana kuma-team akhompyuthayo. So kulele ku-coach nama-selection. Sikhumbule ukuthi maningi ama-players obabheka i-selection bafethu njengoba ku-travel. Oshinga, oCheslete, ama-player angakadlali, naye uLebo Hang Maboy, naye uplayer elingakadlali negame eyodwa. Igadaro njengoba he's close to coming back or sebangamselecta naye umfowethu ukuthi uzodlala. uThabiso Munyane, bazomselecta na ngoba ubuya immediately is ready to play. But-ke konke kuzolala ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi-ke bazokwazi ukumriska immediately noma balinde kancane. But I think badinga wonke ama-player ukuthi bakwazi ukucompete. I don't know if maybe abanye bazowaseva ukuthi bawadlalise home, asazi kuzoya ngako konke kulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izomisa kanjani laphana overall. But I don't think kumele basave ama-player. Bane-squad esikhulu, bane-depth engakwazi ukucompete immediately. They don't need to rest ama-players bafethu because they can play away laphana eCongo with a different team, even nase-home badlale nge-different team if bonke abantu or noma abantu abaningi bazobe bekhona laphana banayo leyo nto leyo ukuthi i-depth e-serious izobe ikhona. So they're not lacking that department. They just have to go out there ku-continental level and prove ukuthi they are Kaizer Chiefs. They are one of the biggest teams in South Africa. In fact, they are the biggest team in South Africa overall. Goalkeeping department, possibly, I don't know, man, if bazozama ulokhunjani ubani umjita uNtwari bazomzama futhi, because the last game they played, which was a Carling knockout, they played uyena umfowethu laphana uNtwari, sibonile ukuthi akafunanga ukureplacewa. Can they risk him again? Can they play him again ku-continental level, or bazotrusta i-number 1 yabo this season, which is ulokhunjana who's this guy? Why engage igama lakhe? Which is uPeterson, yes. So sibafisela inhlanhla overall lapha no continental level. I-defense, possibly maybe they will play Inacio Miguel. Funny enough, Inacio Miguel, I think bayamthemba bafowethu, is the most trusted guy lapha na ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But unokuba on and off. But unama-brilliant moments engeke ngiwakhohlwe this season nawu-2 bafethu. Khona la i-Kaizer Chiefs beyise-expose, afike nge-tackle enzima kabi, ayishaye kwasani. Yabo unawo lawo ma-moments wakhe ngisho ukuthi okay, where is this aggression when it's needed the most? Because they need, a real aggression at all times, not just nje ukuthi bayidinga ngama-moments, bayidinga njalo i-aggression laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So I mean konke kulele kuba ukuthi bafuna ukudlalisa amaphi ama-player, but bane-squad esikhulu kakhulu bafethu esingacompete. Bane-squad esingacompete all out ku-continental level bafethu. Bane-team, I mean i-project yabo inkulu kakhulu this season, bathi bangayiwini i-continental showpiece, but they can win it. I think they can compete, but at the same time I would say with competing they can, the most important thing for them would be trying to survive in the aggression part of a continental level laphana overall. Can they do that? Only time will tell, because Africa balazi ibhola compared to, let's say, ama-player Kaizer Chiefs. But inkani i-aggression, even ne-team yase-Angola we saw laphana bedlala kwela kubo, but ukulazi abalazi, but banawo ama-player few azokulimaza, like ambalwa ama-player obona ukuthi angaba important kakhulu for ama-teams. Sibonile laphana first game against Cabo Scope, bebahlushwa, who's this guy ngiyamkhohlwa, ngalikhohlwa le player belimakwe ubani Marco, if angenza iphutha away ewuhluphile lo yamjita lo ewuhluphile, mayibamba ibhola nje, was causing ama-problems for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But yeah, as a player, one for the books. They have to, like mabadlala e-Africa, mabedlala e-Africa, they have to check those players ukuthi okay, khona ama-players agudi kulama teams lawo ekumele they have to pay attention. Bangabheki i-team nje overall, bakwazi uyibheka, mani babheke i-team yonke, bangakhi phezulu bacabanga ukuthi hayi bazodlala igame elula. No, khona ama-players agudi, ama-individual brilliant from individual brilliance from individual players from these nations lawa ama-nations lawa angeke bawathathe serious, but-ke lawo ma-players lawa ambalwa angabalimaza. So they have to make sure ukuthi benza i-research yabo overall ukuthi bakwazi ukuminimize i-danger overall. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.